From the office of Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George, this week in Commissioners Court. Following the opening of Commissioners Court, County Judge K.P. George made several announcements, including reminders that early voting is in full swing until May 2nd. And on Saturday, April 29th, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., Fort Bend County Animal Services, in collaboration with Best Friends Animal Society Houston and Rosenberg Animal Control and Shelter, will host a free adoption event at the shelter located at 1210 Blume Road in Rosenberg. There will be activities and crafts for kids as well as adoption giveaways, and the opportunity to enter a Best Friends sponsored raffle for gift baskets. Every pet that is available for adoption or foster will be up to date on age-appropriate vaccines, microchipped, spayed or neutered, and heartworm tested for dogs. Again, all adoption fees are waived. In other announcements, congratulations are in order for the Fort Bend County Budget Office. The team's efforts earned them the Government Finance Officers Association Distinguished Budget Presentation Award for the fiscal year 2023. This marks the 20th year the Fort Bend County Budget Office has received this award, and we couldn't be prouder. Next, during community shoutouts, notable recognition was given to National Beta Award winner, Tompkins High School student Hajra Rahim, retiring Rosenberg Fire Chief Darrell, and Missouri City Police Chief Mike Berezin. Public comments came from Mayor Becky Haas of Richmond before the Commissioners Court in regards to closed session item number 38-1, with the county's acquisition of real property located near or adjacent to existing county facilities. Item number 29H from Engineering drew discussion from Precinct 3 Commissioner Andy Myers, who reiterated his comments of opposing funding the Grand Parkway Frontage Road Segment 2 project with certificates of obligation, citing his concerns for our post-employment benefit debt. Precinct 4 Commissioner Dexter McCoy requested the county auditor to provide, at a later date, a presentation clarifying the other post-employment benefits liability and funding options. The measure passed 4-1. Item number 31C from Health and Human Services addressed the financial obligation of the Commissioners Court to allocate funds for pauper burial services. An allocation of funds to provide for these services is needed as required by Texas Health and Safety Code Section 694.002. The measure passed 4-1. Information Technology item number 31 to take action on the request to allocate county funds for a public outreach broadband improvement initiative was tabled in closed session. Commissioners Court unanimously approved the authorization of HTL companies to collect tax information from the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts officials, county or other appraisal district officials, and any other individuals or parties for a sales tax analysis for County Assistant Districts 6, 9, 11, and 16. This concludes your Commissioners Court update for this week. Commissioners Court is scheduled to meet bi-weekly. The next court will be held on May 9th at 1 p.m. on the second floor of the historic Fort Bend County Courthouse in Richmond, Texas.